As a man was passing the elephants, he suddenly stopped, confused by the fact that these huge creatures were being held by only a small rope tied to their front leg. No chains, no cages. It was obvious that the elephants could at any time break away from their bonds, but for some reason they did not. He saw a trainer nearby and asked why these animals just stood there and made no attempt to get away. Well, the trainer replied, when they are very young and much smaller, we use the same size rope to tie them, and at that age, it's enough to hold them. As they grow up, they are conditioned to believe they cannot break away. They believe the rope can still hold them, so they never try to break free. The man was amazed with the reply. These animals could at any time break free from their bonds, but because they believed they couldn't, they were stuck right where they are. Like the elephants, how many of us go through life hanging on to a belief that we cannot do something simply because we failed at it once before? Well, guys, failure is part of learning. We should never give up the struggle in life.